Something that's come along in the most recent years is Airbnb, short-term and mid-term rentals, guys. That is a viable, very, very good resource for income, but it's also low time spent. Once you have your ad set up on the majors, VRBO, Airbnb, and the others that you're going to post it on, you can pretty much do everything virtually. You have a lock that they can enter. You send them a code using the internet, so you don't even need to go to the property. You'll have people that will clean it, walk it, inspect it after the tenant moves out. It's really simple once it's set up. The key thing here is location, knowing that there's a demand for that, and knowing who your customer is, and making sure that that it's going to stay full enough. Your goal in an Airbnb is generally 60%. If you can cash flow, if you're making decent money at a 60% occupancy, and even better if it's less than that, but 60% is realistic, and generally at 60% you should be very profitable. Anything above that is gravy. I love those. We have some of those. We've had some of those, and quite honestly, they've done very well for us. And preferably, they're in places in the world or the country that you want to spend time as well, because when it's not being used, one of the perks is that you can have your company meetings there and spend some time there as well.